Welcome to the mid-year update for Asia Pacific, and one of the highlights is the pickup in office leasing activity that we've seen over the last 6 months. The improvement is still patchy across markets and sectors, but as corporate confidence grows, we are seeing stronger leasing in a number of markets, including Manila, Tokyo and Bangalore. The technology sector is one of the more active sectors across the region right now, with tech companies often backfilling space left by the financial sector. Office rental growth has started to strengthen also, with an average annual increase of 1.8% in Q2, a full percentage point higher than 6 months ago. Singapore has continued to pick up the pace and is currently the fastest growing in the region, indeed the only market that has seen double-digit growth over the last year. It's still a mixed bag though, with rents static or falling in some markets. In Jakarta, for example, Q2 rents slipped back from their level of 3 months ago, the first fall in almost 5 years. Now turning to commercial real estate investment, and regional volumes over the first half of the year saw a slight dip compared to the same period in 2013. The top 3 markets, Japan, Australia and China, accounted for a hefty 75% of total volumes. With a good pipeline of deals in major markets, we're expecting a stronger second half for regional investment activity. Now, meanwhile, in the residential sector, restrictive policies remain in place in various markets as governments attempt to rein in prices on the back of abundant liquidity in the system. Hong Kong and Singapore have resorted to a range of tax and lending curbs, while New Zealand has been one of the few countries to hike interest rates to avert a property bubble. The year ahead will certainly be an interesting one as the US Fed completes its QE tapering and all eyes turn to the timing of the first interest rate rise in the US. In the retail sector, Asia Pacific continues to see large numbers of international retailers setting up shop to capitalise on the region's rapidly increasing wealth levels. Mass market and F&B retailers are generally the most active at this stage. Our recent report, A Magnet for Retail, analyses the drivers of retailer expansion in our region and ranks Asia Pacific cities in terms of the presence of international retailers. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to updating you again next quarter.